Are you thinking about leaving the big city for the perfect suburban location?
You come to the right place. Today we're in Elk Grove Village, Illinois. In this video, we're going to show you all the benefits of moving to Elk Grove.
So welcome to our channel, moving to Chicago's northwest suburbs.
Let's get started.
Here we go. All right, Mike, we're down here in beautiful Elk Grove Village, right by the public library, the police station, the pavilions behind us. But the people want to know, why are folks moving to Elk Grove Village?
So I think Elk Grove Village has an amazing location. We're just west of the O'Hare Airport, right? There's all the major highways that go by here. It's a very safe neighborhood with great schools. There's Busse Woods right over there. So if you want to go by the lake or go fishing, there's a perfect spot right there. And a big benefit of being in Elk Grove Village is a little bit lower taxes because they have a really expensive business district. So if you're thinking about moving to suburbs and you're in a company spirit or have a small company you want to grow, Elk Grove Village might be a perfect spot for you because you can have your company located in a business district and have a home nearby. I know as a business owner, I work a lot, so it's being close to your business is a benefit, right? Yeah. I personally lived in Elk Grove Village for over 10 years. My family always felt very, very safe here. We always come here to the pavilion for volleyball games and stuff like that. So it's an amazing location, great town for you to consider. Yeah, and a lot of opportunities still available, whether you're a first-time home buyer or somebody who's looking to build the portfolio, right? Yeah. People are still seeing great returns on their investment here, so great great town to look into. Yeah, let me show you some other benefits of living in Elk Grove Village. All right, Mike, tell us a little bit about the hospital that's behind us, and honestly, how does it compare to the hospital in Elmhurst? So this is Alexian Brothers, right? It's a really big hospital in Elk Grove Village. I had a lot of clients that reached out to me. They wanted to move to Elk Grove Village because they wanted to be close to this hospital. It's really top ranked. Both of my kids were born here, so I'm kind of biased, right? Sure. But I know like about 18% of all the Elk Grove Village residents are above 65 years old. So Elk Grove really values their senior citizens living here. And a lot of the clients that I talk to, one of the big benefits of moving to Elk Grove Village is to have the excellent health care and this hospital really in their backyard, right? I mean, health is wealth, and so to have a top-rated hospital not only is good for your health, but it's good for your home values, security, and peace of mind, right? Yeah. You really can't spend too much on peace of mind and preservation of life, if you will. So great to have that, and we appreciate you, bringing two more humans into the world at Alexian Brothers. Yeah, so if you're considering moving to the suburbs, Elk Grove Village, excellent health care, check out Alexian Brothers, and let's go. We'll talk about other benefits of moving to Elk Grove. Hey, Mike, so recreation. I know you're big with your family on recreation, right? Oh yeah, anything rather to keep those little kids in motion. Right, so we're in Busse Woods, in the Elk Grove Village section of Busse Woods, right by the 590-acre lake that's here. If you're thinking about moving to Elk Grove, one of the big benefits is being close to this park. Have you ever bring your kids here? Yeah, absolutely. A great place to either take them bike riding, try to catch the big prize fish behind you, but otherwise just to get them out into nature and to tire them out. Right, cool. So there's 11-mile bike path here. So if you're into jogging, rollerblading, or biking, right, you can go around the lake on the bike path. And also talking about animals, there's a pretty cool elk pasture enclosure here in Elk Grove Village section. There used to be plenty of elk roaming around this little enclosure. Unfortunately, a couple years ago, they had a disease and a lot of them died, but we're hoping Elk Grove Village is going to bring more of them back. Just right now, about 3 or 4. It's still a pretty cool place if you want to bring your little children to explore the elk pasture. Hey, it's a great way to show how Elk Grove Village is, preserving what was here before we showed up. It's a great place to either bring your friends, family, or meet new friends that are just out doing the things that you love to, whether that's bike riding, looking at nature, or tiring their little animals out. Right, so super business-friendly environment, but you also have this beautiful forest preserve. Doesn't get better than this. Yeah. Come and check out Elk Grove Village and come and check out Busse Woods. Now we're here in Elk Grove Village at one of the high schools, and we know that Elk Grove Village has a top-ranked school system. Can you tell us a little bit more about the statistics and what people might want to know? So education is very important in Elk Grove Village, right? So if you're looking to move to suburbs and you have small children, elementary or high school children, this might be a good spot for you. Yeah. So we're in front of Elk Grove Village High School. It's ranked 8 out of 10 on gradeschools.org. It's also ranked as a 66th school on niche.com with an 8 rating. This rating is out of 704 schools in the whole state of Illinois. Okay. Right? District has about 6,000 students. There's about 15 different schools, and it's about 12 students per classroom.
Okay.
If you have a high school child, you can also send them to J.B. Conant High School, which is on the other side of the 355 highway.
Great athletic program over there as well. Top notch.
Yeah, top-notch school, rated 8 out of 10 on gradeschools.org. A+ rating on niche.com. It's also ranked as in 19 schools out of the whole state of Illinois.
It's impressive.
Right. If you're looking for elementary, the best rated elementary school is Adolph Link, which is on the other side of Route 53. It's ranked 9 out of 10 and provides excellent programs for elementary children.
If you're looking to raise the next big thing, entrepreneur, our next president, you might want to move to Elk Grove Village and let them foster their skills in this education system.
Yeah, good schools, high education rate, 96, 97% graduation rates. So we invite you to check everything out. We'll put the statistics right below.
All right, Mike, we're walking down the neighborhoods here in Elk Grove Village. Tell us just a little bit about the types of housing that people can expect to see here.
So great homes here. We're actually in the Centex section of Elk Grove Village. So all those franchise homes were developed in like late 50s, early 60s. Okay. One of the things I think it's a benefit of being in Elk Grove Village is lower property values. The lowest sold home last year was only about $220,000.
Oh.
The highest was about $785,000, with average price about $385,000. Right?
I mean, great place for people to start, their home buying, experience.
Right. So if you're looking for a great community, close to the O'Hare Airport, close to all the major highways, it's business friendly, has great education, close to Busse Woods. Elk Grove Village to me is underpriced. You can secure a little bit smaller home for great money, and you don't have to rent anymore. And you can have affordable mortgage payment.
Yeah, and probably a great place to start your rental portfolio as well if you're looking to get into, developing different streams of income.
Awesome, perfect. So we invite you to check out all the stats about Elk Grove Village. It's a really desirable neighborhood. We're looking forward to talking to you soon.
Another cool spot here in Elk Grove Village, the Elk Grove Village Innovation Center, right?
Innovation Park, yeah.
Innovation Park. Tell us more about that.
Elk Grove Village developed this area because they're super business friendly. There's about 5,600 different businesses running out of Elk Grove Village. This whole business park is about 6 square miles big, right?
It's huge.
So they're really promoting local businesses. They're adding a lot of data centers. So if you're a homeowner thinking about relocating to Elk Grove, but if you're a business owner too, right? Yeah. You want to have your business close to your house.
Absolutely.
This might be a great spot. It actually was voted for 2 consecutive years as a top business park in the whole country. They're always adding new spots, new warehouses, new business. There's over 400 different manufacturers that have their facilities here. Elk Grove Village is so just business friendly.
Yeah, I love that they're bringing in new opportunities for the town to, to get some money in, right? Yeah. And to keep those taxes low. And very cool touch. They've paid homage to the Elks, right? Elk Grove Village.
Elks, in the ponds, and they put the beautiful statues. And there's a bike path here. During the weekends, there's a lot of people just bike riding.
All right, Mike, so one of the other big questions that people have is the transportation system. Sure. Elk Grove Village is a phenomenal town, but how easy is it to get in and out of?
So big pro of living in Elk Grove Village is the transportation accessibility to major highways. Awesome. The reason I used to live here for 10 years, I really liked it here, was because I drive a lot and I gotta have access to all the major highways. So if you decide to move to Elk Grove Village, you're gonna be close to I-90 that goes on the north side of the village. There's Highway 355, Route 53, Irving Park Road, right? Route 83. And exciting news that a highway extension, O'Hare extension, the 390, is actually getting extended past the O'Hare, so it's going to loop O'Hare Airport from both sides in the next couple years. So you can go to the city without going on I-90 through Schaumburg.
You can see why not only Elk Grove Village has the appetite to bring more businesses in, but also why businesses